Okay, class, in the course we've been looking at waves. There's sound waves, seismic waves, electromagnetic waves, and I've mentioned about musical instruments, and I've said that the deepest note that a musical instrument can produce is related to the physical size of the instrument. And here we've got a really great example of demonstrating that, where Emma's got a ukulele on the left, which looks like a mini guitar, and on the right, Katie has got a full-sized guitar. And they're going to play a piece of music, and you'll hear the different quality of the sound because of the physical size of the instruments. Okay, thanks.